Are you looking to add music to your Discord server? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that for free. So let's take a look. Here we are at our Windows 10 desktop. I have Discord already installed. If you don't have a Discord server already installed, you can check out this guide and I'll walk you through the steps of getting it up and running. One of my most recent requests was adding music to Discord. So that's what we're going to be doing in this tutorial. We're going to be using a simple and free service, and that is ChipBot, and we're going to be adding this to our Discord server. So the homepage for this is chipbot.gg. Now the simple free option is one that we're going to be using right now. But if you go over to the premium services, you can actually pay for more added features. They do give you the basic functionality for free. All right, so it's in Canadian dollars right now, but you can convert it to whatever currency you're using, and you can see what the benefits are for each category based on the cost per month. So that's up to you. What we're going to do right now is we're just going to go over to this homepage and we're going to add it to our Discord server. And they have 4 different servers that you can add. We're just going to be using the default one, the first one on the list. We're going to click on that. It's going to want to connect to our server right now. So here are the permissions. Everything looks good. Scooby-Doo's fine. It's not going to be adding that. And you want to select the server. Now I only have one server and that's my test server. So I'm going to select it in the list. You want to make sure that you're selecting the correct one in this list and then click on continue. And next is going to be the permissions. So we're going to scroll down here and there is quite a few permissions in here. If there's anything you're not comfortable with, you just have to uncheck it. Everything else you leave checked and it'll add those. So once all that looks good to you, you just click on authorize. I'm just going to be using the default settings because this is a test server for me. Click on authorize, check the I am human, and it's going to pop over. There we go. So it's just added into the server. And if you want to, it's asking you to join their support server. And I'm not going to do it right now. I might actually do that later. I'm just going to click on no thanks. But you can go over here on the right hand side and you can see that it's now a member and it's a bot here. So I'm just going to right click on this and I'm going to give it a role so it sticks with my other bots. I'm going to switch it over here and make sure it is a bot member now. There we go. And now it's listed in my bot section. Okay, now that we have it added, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be creating a channel on the left-hand side just for the music commands because we're going to be using music commands. I already have some voice channels in here. I have a general, lounge, and music. I'm going to be adding one just so we can enter in the music command. So I'm going to click on the plus sign over here and I'll just type in music. And then we're going to create a channel called music. And inside this channel, we're just going to be using this for music controls just so we have one area where everything's in. You can actually do this in any type of channel that you have, any text channel. So just to make things a little bit more cleaner, we're making a channel just for music. So what you want to do is in here, we'll just type in CH and then exclamation mark, help, hit enter. Here are all the commands that you can use when you're using this music player and management for it, as well as the premium features. Now, the premium features are obviously only available if you're paying for premium. The next step that we want to do is activate a voice or music channel. So I have 3 voice channels available right now, and I'm going to select one and activate it so it's going to automatically play music on the certain channel. So I'm going to be selecting music for that. It's now connected, so that's exactly what we want. And now we can start putting in our commands. So the first thing you can do is search for music. So we're going to just type in CH exclamation mark and then search. And then you can just type in something like EDM and then hit enter. And then we have a bunch of options that come up here. So this gives you the top 10 and you can just type in the number. So I'm just going to select number 3 here and hit enter. And there you go. So it's automatically going to start playing in your music channel. And then you have the options to pause, skip, stop, show queue. We don't have a queue yet, but we can create a queue, and that's what we're going to do next. If I click on show queue, you can only see the one that we have right now. So why don't we go ahead and search for some more music. So CH. Okay, so CH exclamation mark search EDM, enter. And I'm going to pick 6 and it's going to add it to the queue. What it's going to do now is it's going to automatically add everything else I'm adding to the queue. So I'm going to do the same thing again. And now I'll pick number 8. I'll just do one more as an example because I'm going to show you the queue. And I'll add number 9. Now we're going to do CH exclamation mark queue, I believe. Yep, and there you go. So it shows the queue of music that we have on the server, and it's just going to go through this rotation. And then you have a list of a whole bunch of other commands that you can do. Just going to jump back over to the server, go under commands, and you can see that there's quite a few commands here that you can use. You can add filters to it, like a demon filter, so the music sounds like a demon. lyrics. You can show lyrics for it, and you can add vocal boost. You can control the volume of how high and low it is, and the list goes on and on. You kind of get the idea. And let me just go back over here. So there's just a bunch of commands that you can go. I'll link the commands in the description below so you can easily find it and test it out and play with it. And that's how you do it. That's how you set up a very simple music bot to your Discord community so you guys can lounge out, listen to music, and chat and do whatever you want. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you're looking for other guides related to Discord or other things related to Windows, you can check out my channel and subscribe to that. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.